Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. Got this clear card guide that's part of this Hermes 3000 right there that I just cleaned the segment and got it kind of ready to go. Working on it. But I've actually already tried to clean this, and this ink is not coming off very well. Let me flip this machine out of the way so I get a better backdrop here. Okay. And so I'm going to do my little trick on this, which is I don't know if I recommend this because it's a little trial and error process, which I've already perfected. So I'm going to put some red oil on my rag here between my two fingers like this. And I need a pretty big gap here because it's a pretty wide card guide, but I'm going to put oil on here, both sides here. And then I'm going to rub this down, the whole thing. So it's got a little bit of oil, which I've already actually done because I tried to get this off with some other chemicals that weren't strong enough. And so I'm going to go aggressive on this. So it's still got oil here on the rag. Here we go. I'm going to put one drop of lacquer thinner. Lacquer thinner and plastic usually don't mix. But when you put oil with lacquer thinner with the oil, so I'm going to put one little drop, maybe two, on each finger here. There's one. I'm just going to do one drop first, so it's very, very mild. Let me get one more drop out of here. One drop, maybe one more back here because it dried out a little already. Okay, I'm going to squeeze these together a little bit. Now I want to rub this right on the... Look at that, just wiped right off with very little effort. See that? I'll just try this side with what I got left on here. It's not quite enough. It dissipated. You got to get it while it's a little bit fresh. I'm going to go ahead and roll this rag over and use the other side. I'm going to find my two oil spots right here, there and there. I'm going to put a little more fresh oil on here, like that and that. I'm going to rub it on here first, just to make sure that's oiled up. Again, just one drop, one drop. Very precise. One drop. And, one drop. Squeeze it. I'm going to do this side now. There it goes. Rub it, rub it, rub it. Just about got it all in that one swipe. There's a little bit left right here. Pretty close. A little bit here. Let's see if I can get that off. Nope, it's just a little bit more to get that last bit off, so I'm going to just flip it around. Put a little oil there. I'm going to go ahead and dab a little more on here. One drop, no more than half a drop right there. I'm going to hit this spot right here. I just took it off right there, just like that. I'm going to hit this spot. There seems to be something else up here, but it's coming off. Right down there, there's a little spot left. Spot down here. That's it. Take a clean portion of the rag and just wipe it off the rest of the way. Alright, it's perfect. It is perfect. Tell you, this trick works pretty good. Absolutely no fogging. Crystal clear. Alright. That's my clear card guide cleaning trick. Good day.